Okay, here's an identity question, and we're supposed to prove that the left-hand side here, 1 minus 2 cos squared x over sine x cos x, is equal to tan x minus 1 over tan x. Now you can always choose either side, but this side's the best side to work with because it just is. I can replace tan x with my grade 11 identity that I know, and then I just use the ideas of fractions, and I'll get to here. Now, you kind of don't know that until you start. So instead of tan x, I take the right-hand side. It's just a good choice. There's maybe other ways to do it, but I think it's the best choice. Tangent is sine over cos. Tangent is sine over cos here. Well, there's your first step. But now this is a fraction in the bottom of a fraction. And like we learned with numbers, if you have a fraction in the bottom of a fraction, you're supposed to tip this over, and invert it, tip it, and times it by this 1. And that's what you do. You go 1 times cos x over sine x. Now you look at this and you go, now it's another fraction problem. I'm trying to combine these two fractions, but they have different denominators. You know, you can always combine two fractions by multiplying the factors in the bottom. You can go sine x times cos x, and whoa, that's what's here. So I'm getting on my way to the answer. If I do multiply the bottom and the two factors in the bottom together, sine x times cos x, I've got to multiply. If I multiply this by sine x, I've got to multiply this. Sometimes you know it's called cross multiply. Sine times sine will give me sine squared. Cos times cos will give me cos squared, but minus. And I will have a sine x cos x on the bottom. Gee, that's pretty good because now, look, I've got this part of the left-hand side. I'm just looking at this and wondering, how the heck could it turn into 1 minus 2 cos squared? Well, it could because the sine squared, we can replace that with 1 minus cos squared. Well, that's it, isn't it? Minus cos squared minus cos squared, that is minus 2 cos squared. So this expression here really does equal the left-hand side. Maybe you could write it down again exactly like that. I just kind of ran out of space, and I think this would be enough to show that you know exactly what's going on. And there you go.